This week at Woodpeckers, we're working on the 3D multi-marking square. With 3 legs, this square lets you mark both the face and the edge at the same dimension, and much more. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and look at how we make this 3-legged square. First, we cut each blank from a long bar of aircraft-grade aluminum. We mill both the blade and the base to their rough shapes and sizes, then precision mill the edges. We then mill a groove precisely in the center of the base, which keeps the blade perpendicular to the base and gives you equal shoulders for marking. We use our coordinate measuring machine to ensure the 3D multi-marking square is milled to our strict specification. Each part goes through our tumbler to knock down any rough edges. After receiving its red anodized finish, we laser engrave the scales on all 3 legs. And lastly, the parts are assembled, packaged, and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers tools, each 3D multi-marking square is made right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Your joinery is 3-dimensional, so why isn't your layout tool? Order your Woodpeckers 3D multi-marking square today.